Before we get on the road properly, I decided to treat Rich to the hills above Monte Carlo to show him just how spectacular this place is. It's not all glitz and glamour down there. You can come up into the mountains and have a spectacular time just with these views. I mean, this is November. It is every bit, if not as beautiful as when I was here in summer. I'm absolutely blown away. So, what's happened is Rich has made his way up the mountain to try and get a nice photo vantage point.
Well, not very, but do not drive slow.
Do not drive slow, got it. All right, I'm gonna doff the cap because I like to have the windows down so I can hear the engine resonating off the mountain walls. Seriously, I couldn't think of anything better to be doing right now. This is genuinely what my dreams are actually made of. Okay. Okay, we have stopped because this is where the magic starts to happen. I've experienced some driving roads all over the world, but this is a road that I keep coming back to time and time again because every time it absolutely blows my mind. And this is exactly the spot where the strata and the rock changes from normal rock to red rock. Look, we have this marking point here, which is this big boulder, and as you can see, it literally goes from white to red rock right here. This is the exact point also at which driving nirvana unfolds. Believe you me, what I'm about to show you, I don't know, it's actually one of the most unique strips of road that I've ever seen. What I'm gonna do is shut up because you're probably just intrigued to see it. Let's jump in the car and give you a front row seat to this action. this is it. As far as driving roads go in Europe, this is well up there with some of the very best roads that I've driven, for sure. I'm not sure if I should talk you through it or just shut up and drive. But honestly, even in November, while this tarmac is cold, the front end of this RS is absolutely planted, like super glue planted. It's beautiful. No doubt if we had some really hot, really sticky tarmac, it would be amazing. Oh, the resonations through these tunnels. Oh, it's so special. What's immense about this road in particular is that where it gets really tight and they've had to cut through with tunnels, they've made each tunnel and each bypass one way. So when it gets really tricky, you're not at the risk of meeting any oncoming traffic. Which when you're in a car like this, in situations like this, it's absolutely fabulous. Wow. Whoever, I mean, I assume whenever they built this road, the last thing they were thinking of is this will make a fantastic driving road. It was probably some old pass to get your horse and cart through. I mean, it's that tight. But honestly, honest to God, when you get on it, when you eventually get on this road and you get up it and it's empty, and this time of year is quiet. There's no one here. Well, they say a picture tells 1,000 words, and I've got 60 frames per second, so I'm going to shut up, point you forwards, and get on with this magnificent drive.